Good day, sir. I'm Raymark Menjogorin, and this is a summary of our research paper. Electronic billing application helps to avoid widespread of COVID-19. Introduction. COVID-19 has a big impact to our world, especially in our country. Most of the people get infected in crowded area, and government declared lockdown in particular area that has high rate of coronavirus. In order to make money or do something, some people make a way that can avoid physical contact and to prevent spreading of virus. They use social media, internet connection, or application to make their goal. Electronic billing payment or able app reduce the possibility of physical contact during this time of pandemic. And statement of the problem. We, the researchers, aim to know the perspective of the respondents, and we want to know the demographic profile of the respondent, including their name and their age. And we want to know how electronic billing application helps to avoid widespread of COVID-19. Research design. In our research design, we use survey method to know the demographic profile of the respondents, including their name and age. And also, we use questionnaire that can answer always, sometimes never, to be more accurate and more facilitated in data gathering. Respondents of the study. Uh, we, the researchers, had a total of 30 individuals respondents, and the age range of these respondents is up to 15 to 35 years old that reside in Belclor, San Cristobal, Calamba, Laguna. Protection of human subject. The respondents will be rest assured that the data gathered from their answer will be treated carefully and confidence. Requirements. In our requirements, the required respondents were going to answer the questionnaire was 15 years old up to 35 years old and must be living or occupying in any place here in Belcro San Cristobal. Measures. We, the researcher, will give a time to the respondents to answer all the questions carefully. Procedure and analytic plan. We, the researchers, want to attain the main focus of our study. In the procedure, first is searching a related literature to support our study. Second is formulating a survey questionnaire and distributed to the respondents. And lastly was gathering or collecting the data from the answered questionnaires from the respondents. Results. In this part, the figure above will the figure above shows the total percentage of the result we gathered from the respondents. 39% of the total percentage of the data gathered says always that the electronic billing or online payment helps to avoid the widespread of the virus and reduce physical contact. Second is 44% of the of of the data gathered from the respondents says sometimes that the electronic billing helps to avoid widespread. of the virus, and lastly, 17% of the total per- percentage of the data gathered says never on electronic billing that can reduce or avoid physical contact during this time of pandemic. In our conclusion, the researchers, conclude that e-bill, e-bill application that e-bill application can reduce the physical contact of other people and can avoid and prevent widespread of coronavirus in our country. And that's all. Thank you.